Meaning of highfalutin.
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 Highfalutin. The term highfalutin typically describes language or behavior that is pompous, pretentious, or overly grandiose. It is often used to criticize individuals for using complicated language or ideas to sound more intelligent or important than they actually are. The word has a negative connotation and suggests that the individual is putting on airs for trying too hard to impress others. In essence, highfalutin is a way of describing language that is needlessly complex or excessively flowery in an attempt to sound impressive.